In today's hair tutorial, I will be showing you how I got this unit to be glueless. No glue adhesive or anything is applied. It is a glueless install. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. This unit was sent to me from LuvmeHair. So thank you to LuvmeHair for sending me out this unit to review. If you haven't had a LuvmeHair unit yet, they do come in this pretty purple box with the pretty pink purple bow around the packaging. And they always pack the wigs so pretty and neat. So they do give you this unit, like I said, it's really packed pretty. And look how gorgeous this unit is going to be. Like, look at the ombre, the color. As you can see, with this unit, you are going to get quality. And like I said, the hair is just always nice when it comes from LuvmeHair. So straight out of the box, they do give you pretty much everything you're going to need to do this glueless install. So you do get the LuvmeHair duster bag. That is where you go ahead and put your unit in to like store it away. They do have a $5 gift card. It does sort of is valid for 3 months. They have the wig cap, and then they do have the hair care instructions. Also, there is a little slip on there where you can return your unit if you're not satisfied with the unit. And then there is their social media on the back if you want to go ahead and check them out. And I did not know it, but they do have a app, so you can go ahead and download the app if you want to as well. So inside your little goodie bag, they do give you, like I said, the supplies you're gonna need. So we do have this little white wig grip. There is the edge comb, and then there is the elastic band to lay down your edges. So let's get into this wig. So this is their 4C Kinky Edges unit. It is the black to brown ombre, and it is only going to be a 5x5 closure. So you're going to have to deal with 5x5 closures. So this is like a just throw on and go kind of unit. And as you can see, you do have the 4C edges on this unit. You are gonna have bleach knots on this unit, so you do not have to oh my god, bleach the knots. There's 3 combs on the top, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and then also the elastic band so that you can go ahead and wear this glueless. So starting out by putting this unit on, the fit is gonna be big head friendly. It is like loose, so you do have to adjust the straps to get it like as tight as you want to, but it is a nice fitting cap. The lace does not go from ear to ear, but the way the cap is made, it does go from ear to ear, if you can see what I'm saying. Right there as I'm pulling, it does go from ear to ear. The combs do reach. So that is what the front is going to look like, and then that is going to be the lace. So it is like a transparent, like medium brown kind of lace to it. And this is just straight out of the box. So even though this is a throw on and go kind of unit, you are going to have to put in a little bit of work. So starting out, I'm going to take my eyebrow razor, and cut off the lace. Using the eyebrow razor is going to give you a jagged edge. So as you can see with the lace, you are going to see like cuts and grooves, so it's not going to be straight across. So that's what you want when you want like a flawless install. You want it to look just like that. So as you can see, the lace does have like a little bit transparent like kind of color to it. So I am going to be applying my powder only on the edges at this point. Usually you can go ahead and just apply it all over the bottom if you want to go ahead, but I just went ahead and put it on the edges. So I'm going to go ahead and take that wig grip that was in the box. Then we're going to put my unit on top of that. The wig grip is supposed to help the unit kind of lay flat, like especially along the lace area. But with this being a 5x5, the elastic band in the back and then the black wig band that's on the cap should go ahead and help that out. The unit comes like on the side part, but I'm going to go ahead and move mine to the middle part. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. It is a glueless side part unit, but like I said, it's the 5x5, so you can do from left to right, or you can go ahead and wear it in the middle. I decided to go ahead and wear mine in the middle, and then I'm just taking that powder, putting that on the edges, because like I said, I did the bottom, but you also want to apply some powder on top. Sometimes using foundation like liquid, it'll go ahead and seep through and it can get the top and the bottom, but since we're doing powder, make sure to use powder on bottom and top. This unit, it is going to be the 20-inch unit, and then on the website, it is showing $319.90. It does say that it is on sale, so that is the sale price. The original price is $799.75. So if you would like to get this wig, they do have Afterpay, Zip, and Sezzle, and that's 4 payments of $79.98. So what I'm going to be doing with this unit right now is just using some beeswax to lay the top down, because I want the roots to be flat, and then I'm going to take my hot comb just to go ahead and brush the top down. So I'm just running my hot comb through it. I'm not too much trying to press the hair out because I love the texture and how big the hair is. I just want the top to lay down. I also did use heat protecting spray so that I did not burn this hair. All products that I did use will be listed down below in the description box if I did not state it. So now I'm going to take some wrapping foam, just go ahead and lay down those edges. So we want to give like a natural kind of flawless install, so we do not want to like use any glue or gel on our edges. We want them to actually just be natural, almost like you just brushed your hair out and put it apart, you know, and didn't do anything to it, and that's what we want our edges to give. So the mousse is going to just lay down our edges. While I'm letting that melt, went ahead and did my makeup, and then now we are back. So that is what the edges are looking like. So I'm gonna just pluck the edges just a little bit, just to thin them out, because I didn't want them too thick, because I do want you to kind of see the hairline, and I felt like it was just a little bit on the thick side. So I'm only plucking out mainly like the center where the part is at, and then I'm going to go ahead and put some mousse back on there and brush those back up. So the mousse is not laying the baby hairs down, it's just laying them, like giving them a direction to go to basically. Then of course they are in like a kinky curly kind of texture, so it is just having them just lay however they want to. So now I'm just applying my foundation to the edge, because I did have on that edge wrap, and that is basically going to be it for this unit. Like I said, this is like a throw on and go. So now that we have done all that, every time you put on this unit, all you usually have to do is throw it on the go, because you already did the prep work on this unit. So I will go ahead and leave the link down below to where you can purchase this unit. So thank you to LuvmeHair for sending me out this hair to review, and I will see you guys in my next video. So like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.